In this video, I am preparing masala okra fry. This is a signature cuisine from North Karnataka and it goes well with jawar roti, chapati and all other dry dishes. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into the frying pan. Add 300 grams sliced okra and stir fry under medium flame for 5 minutes. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for tasty Indian recipes. After 5 minutes of stir frying, separate the okra and keep aside. Add 2 teaspoons cooking oil into a frying pan. Add a spoonful of mustard seeds. Add a spoonful of cumin seeds. Wait until the mustard and cumin seeds sizzle. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a handful of curry leaves. Now mix everything well under low flame. Add chopped onions and fry in medium flame for 3 minutes. Add chopped green chilies. Add chopped tomatoes and stir fry under medium flame for 3 minutes. Add a cup of grated coconut. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds powder. Stir fry under low flame for 2 minutes. Now add fried okra. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add salt to taste. Fry at medium flame for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Serve this with chopped onions, flaxseed chutney powder, Niger seed chutney powder, thick curd and jawar roti for best taste. You can find flaxseed and Niger seed chutney powder on the card shown above. Tasty okra masala fry is ready to be relished.